I am with Chef Bimba Nayak. She is a celebrity chef and known for making Pathare Prabhu cuisine all over India. Chef, welcome to my channel.
Thank you, sir.
You are organizing Pathare Prabhu Food Festival in Orchid, Mumbai, in south of Vindhyas restaurant. How is your experience? Can you explain to my viewers?
Sure. I'm enjoying the event and I'm so glad that they have invited me to put this authentic 700 years old food culture on their platform actually, and it is giving me tremendous pleasure to cook fantastic food for everybody to enjoy.
Can you explain something about the Pathare Prabhu cuisine, how it originated and from where it is originated, and speak something about history about Pathare Prabhu cuisine? Please, Chef.
Pathare Prabhus come from the northern Indian side of Rajasthan and Gujarat. We fought many wars during the tenure that we came down, and we have picked up the culture, the food culture especially, of all the states that we have visited. This was about 700 years ago.
Right.
So when we came down, we have taken up the food culture, the dishes made according to the taste, because we were warriors. So
Yes.
all the time when we were fighting, we have taken up their stuff and inherited in our communities.
Right. Right.
As we know that in Rajasthan, we never used to get tomatoes.
Okay.
So, and of course tomatoes came later on with the American culture, and there was not much of coconut in Rajasthan and also in Gujarat. So Pathare Prabhu dishes also do not have much of tomatoes nor any of the coconut. So coconut gravies are there just to
Develop
a new taste in our food, and every food that the Pathare Prabhus eat have prawns. It's
Yes,
completely
yes.
non-vegetarian cuisine. Of course, we are well versed with the vegetarian stuff also, and we have got a wide variety of vegetarian food too. For example, like we have Pithoda curry in Rajasthan, where we call vadis of bhujnoi. Then we have got undio, which is a famous Gujarati
Yes.
pot recipe. But Pathare Prabhus make the same recipe with around 30 vegetables with ghor, mutton or prawns. Same way. And we have got a lot of other things from Surat also, what is now known in our food as matna se gode, which is not sweet at all.
Okay.
So in Surat and Gujarat, it is called tapelu.
Tapelu, yes.
Okay, so there are many recipes, and we have one sizzling recipe called khadkhadla. Now people wonder what is khadkhadla. So the prawns sizzle in that, it gives you the sizzling noise, and that is the reason why it is called khadkhadla. So all the funny names that we have, but the taste is out of the world.
Khadkhadla, it's a Marathi word that means sizzling. When you cook prawn in a vessel, it makes sound. So that is why it is called khadkhadla, and chef has brought that thing to showcase in Orchid Hotel for Mumbai ka. Chef, tell me something about Pathare Prabhu cuisine. Besides Mumbai, what are the other states have you prepared this type of food festival, and abroad, if you can?
Yes. I was working in Kuwait.
Okay.
So of course for the royals, when I used to have some events for the royals, I was working with the royal family in Kuwait.
Right.
So for 15 years, we used to have one event on Indian cuisine.
Okay.
And I have actually put in some Pathare Prabhu recipes in that, because they were not knowing what Indian food is.
Correct.
So I have taught them even how to eat varan bhat.
Okay.
And they used to enjoy all varan bhat, that sagu puri that we used to prepare, and they used to enjoy because we could make fish, mutton, chicken out of so many recipes,
Correct.
And so they enjoyed also. This Pathare Prabhu food I'm doing for many hotels. I will be doing later on also this next month. We'll be doing it in Hyderabad, spreading over Hyderabad, New Delhi. We are spreading to Bangalore. And I hope this will go on and on and on, because I want to bring Pathare Prabhu on the world map. Pathare Prabhus are worldwide. And even if I get a chance to go abroad, I will definitely do, and I will get the response over there.
Chef Bimba has said that Pathare Prabhu recipes are hidden treasure, which many people doesn't know. But she is trying very hard to take this recipe to the next level, not only in Maharashtra, Rajasthan, but many parts of India. And many luxury hotels are inviting her to showcase her recipe. And as she said, if given an opportunity, she will also take this recipe to global platform. Chef Bimba, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank
it was pleasant meeting you. Thank you very much.